This video is to describe the firefighting water system here on the property. The system consists of four 2,500-gallon tanks with an 1.5 inch distribution line that passes under the driveway and then contours along the hillside below the garage and house. Along this line, there are 5 3/4 inch standpipes with garden hose spigots, as well as an 1.5 inch iron pipe hydrant located below the driveway gate. Eventually, some roof sprinklers will be added to the system, so look for those. Gravity feed pressure varies along the system, and although adequate to run a single sprinkler or mop-up hose at a time, firefighting operations will benefit from running the 2-inch gas-powered pump located at the water tanks. To use the pump to pressurize the system, connect the suction and output hoses to their color-coded inlet and outlet pipes. Align the valves so that the red handles are aligned with the red markings. This opens the tank valves, closes the gravity feed valve, and opens the valves that connect the pump to the system. Gravity flow from the tanks will prime the pump automatically, and you should see the flexible output hose fill with water to confirm this before starting the pump. At this point, you can start the pump by confirming the electrical switch is in the run position, opening the fuel valve, sliding the choke to full on, sliding the throttle to full on, and pulling the cord until the pump starts. Once started, the choke should be turned off and the throttle can be adjusted to meet the demands of your use. For multiple sprinklers and firefighting use, I'd recommend full throttle. A valve on the south wall of the house can be opened to activate the 3 sprinklers on the roof.